Why deck side over engine side? Chalo. Nishant, why did you not join your father's profession? Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. This is Chief Engineer Praneeth Mehta, Director GMD Academy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Merchant with Decoded. और मेरे साथ है निशांत कटारिया. He is come all the way from Maharashtra और इसने हमारी अकेडमी GMD अकेडमी ज्वाइन करी थी. The reason to get निशांत कटारिया over here is, मैं बता दूं आपको, IMCT का एग्ज़ाम ये दे चुका है, अभी ये सिनर्जी का एग्ज़ाम दे के आया है एंड ये कल ही यहाँ से जा रहा है अपनी लेजिक सर्जरी कराने के लिए वापस बैक टू हिज होम टाउन. दी ओनली थिंग इज़ कि मैंने ऐसे ज़बरदस्ती बोला कि नहीं तुझे आना ही आना है, बिकॉज व्हेन आई फर्स्ट टुक हिज नॉन टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू आई वॉज सो डैम हैप्पी एंड आई न्यू वन थिंग कि दिस बॉय विच एवर कंपनी ही सिट्स फॉर he is definitely going to do wonders out there, or at least he is going to make them think, and if he is even above average with his technical knowledge, he is going to do good. So the thing is, he sat for his MSc exam, he has cracked that. IMCT इसका अच्छा गया है, आज सिनर्जी का एग्जाम भी इसका अच्छा गया. आई थिंक विल गेट सिलेक्टेड आउट देयर एज वेल. उसका इंटरव्यू इसका पक्का निकलना चाहिए. लेट्स सी अगर ये कुछ टेक्निकल में बहुत ख़राब नहीं करता, विच आई थिंक वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड वेल.
यस सर.
पक्का श्योर?
श्योर सर.
ओके फाइन. तो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द नॉन टेक्निकल पार्ट थोड़ा सा जान लेते हैं निशांत कटारिया के बारे में. सो निशांत, हमारा कैसे, हाउ डिड वी कम टू नो ईच अदर?
Sir, I found you on Instagram and I got motivated by your words, and I was totally attracted and allured by sir, by his words and his personality, and sir, it was a natural instinct that provoked me to join your academy, and fortunately I did so, and I have achieved my goals, and not totally, not fully, but yes, I have took my steps towards proceeding and doing wonders in my life.
ओके ग्रेट. आप जिन लोगों को नहीं पता, आई वांट टू टेल यू कि निशांत का एक दिन मेरे पास मैसेज आता है एंड इट वाज अ लॉन्ग मैसेज. इतने सारे मैसेजेस आई गेट अक्रॉस दैट इट इज़ इम्पॉसिबल फॉर मी टू रीड ऑल दोज मैसेजेस, अदरवाइज आई कांट गो थ्रू माई डेली चोर्स. सो व्हाट हैपेंड वाज, व्हेन आई रेड हिज मैसेज I was impressed. That is what I told you. And I told him कि भाई I want you at GMD Academy. Next day I went, I told my team members, I want this boy at my academy at any cost. Because the way you had written that message out there, I knew कि, see, there are different kinds of guys that we get at academy. Some, we know that we have to work really hard on them. This does not mean that we give up on them. We do work hard. Then the second category, we know we have to push them. Just monitor them and they'll give us results. And then there is third category, whom we know that they are easiest prey to give us results. All we have to do them is just guide them with information. So I remember when I saw that message, I knew you come in the third category, जिसको सिर्फ guidance दूंगा, हल्का सा we have to twitch and you are going to perform well. So that was stage one. Second thing was, when I asked you, yaar, how have you done well? I think so Pankaj sir ने आपकी बहुत तारीफ करोगे. He told me, no sir, he has given me 2 out of 5. So I asked him, sir, why have you given him 2 out of 5? Because this guy is really doing good. So कहते हैं sir, because I understand that this boy will understand the meaning of feedback. If I have given him 2 out of 5, he is going to push himself more hard. तो ज़्यादा नहीं करते, तो सिर्फ 5 questions हैं. Let's just start. Nishant, so please introduce yourself.
Sir, before I proceed, I would like to tell you that I feel blessed, honored and privileged to be a part of this interview. Sir, my name is Nishant Kataria and I'm son of Mrs. Sakshi Kataria and Mr. Ritesh Kataria. My mother is a homemaker and my father is a businessman. I am born and brought up in our very own financial capital of India, that is Mumbai. Sir, as far as my education is concerned, I have completed my matriculation from Father Agnew Multipurpose School and I have secured 94% in my 10th grade. Sir, I have completed my college from Srimati Chandibai Himatmal College and I have secured 85.33% in my 12th grade. Sir, in addition, in my leisure time, I do a very basic workout and go for cycling to remain in shape. And now I have recently inculcated a habit of reading and listening to philosophical books and podcasts to improve my thought process, which ultimately improves my overall performance in everything. That's all, sir.
Okay, great. So Nishant, what are your strengths and weaknesses? That is question number 2, guys.
Sir, I have a conviction about myself that I fear no perseverance. No matter how difficult the situations are, I never give up. Sir, my hunger to know more and more gets me what I deserve and takes me where I belong. Sir, as it is rightly quoted by Steve Jobs, stay hungry, stay foolish. This is what I apply in my day-to-day life to excel. Sir, I have decent communication skills and I have good time management skills. I also have a great quality of working under pressure. Sir, proceeding towards my weaknesses, sir, I am too much of a perfectionist. I tend to work too hard. I am a bit of impatient person for which I practice meditation to calm my thoughts. Also, sir, I do not like to get involved in any type of arguments because we being humans, we all have different ideologies and which leads to difference in ideas and which is all normal. Therefore, I try to remain calm and honest, most importantly, all the time, no matter what.
Okay, fine. Nishant, why did you not join your father's profession?
Sir, my father has taught me to grow from nothing to everything. Sir, I do not wish to carry forward the legacy of my father's business because I do not want it to be inherited just because I am his son. And I become lenient and careless towards the responsibilities that I owe to my near and dear ones. Sir, I have a vision in my life to stand strong, to stand independent and stand strong on my feet, and most importantly, fulfill all my desires on my own hard-earned money.
Okay. Why do you want to join Merchant Navy, Nishant?
Sir, I would like to begin this answer by shedding some light on the past 2 years of pandemic situation. In this COVID times, it was distinctly evident that each and every profession or business was severely affected or had come to standstill. Whereas I found Merchant Navy to be the only profession which was working in full swing. So this motivated me to join Merchant Navy the most. Sir, Merchant Navy is a profession for youngsters seeking something different. Sir, Merchant Navy is a profession that teaches you to take responsibilities and makes you financially stable at a very young age. Sir, Merchant Navy is a profession that teaches you the most crucial thing of life, that is adaptability. As it is rightly proposed by Charles Darwin, survival of the fittest. Adaptability is necessary for survival. Sir, Merchant Navy is a profession where you get a chance to work in a pollution-free environment.
Okay, great. Okay, my last question to him is, before we wrap up, that is why deck side over engine side? Chalo.
Sir, before I start with my answer, I would like to tell you that I would like to make people aware that if someone wishes to join engine side, he or she must have fascination about engines, which I find it is lacking in me. Sir, I feel that deck side suits me the best because I find deck related activities and all deck related work like mooring, chipping, anchoring, and most importantly managing the control system more fascinating. Sir, being called Captain Nishant one day is something my ears are waiting to hear. Sir, wearing that excellent uniform and holding that binoculars is something that my eyes are waiting to glare at. And also, sir, holding the responsibilities is something I'm eager for. That's all.
Okay, chalo, good answer. So, see guys, I won't take Nishant's much of a time. What I want to say is कि each and every one of you who is watching this video has got the capability to make wonderful answers only if you strive to do that. मतलब कोशिश तो करो, सबको पता आंसर्स क्या, बट हम कोशिश नहीं करना चाहते, and that is where we are doomed to fail. So this video is dedicated to one and only one thing, and that is dedication, that is commitment, that is making your own answers, that is being hungry to do something different. So please guys, a strong message to each and every one of you. हर कोई कामयाब बन सकता है अगर वो हिम्मत रखे, कोशिश रखे, डेडिकेशन रखे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी. लेट अस ग्रो टुगेदर, अचीव टुगेदर, इवॉल्व टुगेदर. जय माता दी.